Good morning, ma'am. This morning I will explain the robbery, theft, qualified theft, and the fencing. First is robbery. It involves taking someone's property direct from them or nearby, using force or threats. It's considered a violent crime because of its nature. Elements: taking someone's property without permission, using force or threats to accomplish the theft. Intent to permanently deprive the person of the property. Example: demanding someone's wallet at knife point is an example of robbery because it involves both taking property and using the threat of violence. Theft is the act of taking someone else's property without their consent with the intention of permanently depriving them of it. Elements: taking property. The act of taking someone else belongs to another person or entity. Without consent, the property is taken without the owner's permission. Intent to deprive. The intention to keep the property or sell it without intending to return it. Example: imagine how someone shoplifting a candy bar from a store by concealing it in their pocket and leaving without paying. This is theft because they are taking the store's property without permission and without using any force of threats. Qualified theft is a more serious form theft than simple theft, distinguished by particular conditions like a breach of trust or another aggravating factors that worsen the crime. Key element of qualified theft: relationship of trust. A domestic servant of someone in a trusted position commits the theft. Types of property: when the stolen items are specific like motors, vehicles, or mail. Circumstances: if the theft happens during the calamity like a fire or earthquake. Example: imagine a domestic helper working in a household because of their job. They have access to various parts of the house and the belongings within it. If this helper steals jewelry from their employer's home, it's considered qualified theft. The helper is taking advantage of the trust placed in them as an employee and using their access to steal. Fencing. Fencing refers to the act of buying, receiving, possessing, selling, or dealing in stolen goods with the knowledge that they were obtained through robbery or theft. It serves as a critical link in the criminal world, enabling thieves to convert stolen property into cash. Fencing is illegal and plays a significant role in organized crime. Element of fencing: robbery or theft. A crime robbery or theft must have occurred dealing in stolen property. The accused buys, receives, possesses, keeps, acquires, conceals, sells, or disposes of property derived from robbery or theft. Knowledge: the accused knew that, should have known that the property was derived from robbery or theft. Intent to gain: the accused intended to gain for themselves or another person. Example: an individual knowingly buys stolen electronics from a thief to resell them for profit.